Hi, it's KhoPhi here. These days I take any opportunity that will help me get more stick time on my FPV drone. So use the opportunity to go check out this place just after Aquadum. It's a quarry. It's kind of abandoned or no longer active, but it's still got rocks there that I'm sure whenever there's demand, you're gonna come grab more from there. And it was just a way for me to practice more, get more stick time, and also get some quiet time to reflect on things and enjoy the place. I just got to Aquadum, and this is a quarry, a rock quarry that is nearby to Aquadum. I'm just here to fly the drone and have fun. And I think the views over here too is amazing so far. I'm thinking if there's a way I could go up there, I might give that a try and see if I can make it to that end. Let me extend this camera so that Ishmael, like you said, my head doesn't show up weird. So I'll see if I can go up there and launch from that side. I like the way the rocks are arranged, and it must have been a really busy place considering how huge the place is in terms of how much rock they've been able to get from here. And you'll find all these beautiful rocks around. Anyway, let's set up. So normally for outdoor shots where precision is not much of an importance, I normally go with the bigger battery on the Cinewhoop. And yes, I'm going to use the Cinewhoop for these kind of outdoor shots because the freestyle, it dropped, and the battery, I damaged one of the batteries and also spoiled one of the motors, so I had to order a new motor and see if I can fit it on and have it working again. It was a painful experience, considering I mistakenly turned off the quad mid-air, and so it came dropping to the ground like a stone. And in this case, the Cinewhoop is all I have, and so I'll be trying the outdoor shot with it and see what I'm able to get. So currently got this one. I'm gonna use this and that for the goggles. So I'm using the 1300 milliamp hour battery, and this is my controller. So this is the entire setup here. I am thinking of going up there, so I'm just gonna set up and then head to the top. So I've packed the motorbike here, and I just hope nobody comes to take it. Anyway, I'm headed to see if I can get a top spot over here to sit. The higher the altitude I go, the better transmission I can get over a wider area. So I'm just trying to see if I can get to a higher ground. It looks like there is a, oh okay, there seems to be a water way over here dividing these two parts, which means I can't sit on the drone and fly across. Okay, this is getting a bit weird. Okay, so it's quite a distance going to the other side. Anyway, we'll just you can see I'm scared. Yeah, I don't want to push too far, but just find somewhere a little bit hard to sit over here to base, and we'll simply just launch from this side. I won't probably be getting the best of coverage, but it's better than, I didn't think it goes down that deep over there, and we'll just make use of what we've got here. I'm hoping for some really nice shots, double checking everything. So This is how the place looks like. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'm going to see if I can climb this area and go sit on the top there. The reason why BK chose this area for his photo shoot is the fact that you get to the views and the backgrounds you can get from this side can be really nice, and I'm sure they are hoping to get some really good shots from it as well. Let's see if we can climb this thing. Are there going to be snakes in here? I hope not. Yeah. Oh, okay. So these are the holes they will drill. Wait a second. Are there any leftover explosives? How will I know? Okay, so it's so steep. I don't think I can safely climb. The best is probably to come from up there rather than go from down here. Okay, that's a bummer. Let's go back then so that I can have a nice angle of view in terms of the transmission of the signal. So going back now. So my blades are spinning right now. This is not the cleanest of build. Anytime it falls down, you know, it picks up leaves, and that messes up the beauty of this FPV drone. I am also hoping this the GoPro doesn't turn off on me during flight today. Also the strap, I hope it doesn't get torn. And yeah, I think everything looks good. I've had to, you know, permanently join these parts together because the duct ended up breaking, and you know, it was making the duct tapes, the ducts a bit loose. Anyway, good to go. Let's launch. Okay, that was battery die, so in flight for about 6 minutes and the battery is dead. I'm here waiting for BK and his team, and I'm using the opportunity to just sit around and enjoy some quiet time. This place is really quiet, and I love the way there's nothing, you know, and just resting, and such a nice view to have here. Anyway, you can check the link in the description to watch the full video on the FPV Africa channel, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next. Bye. Just gonna wait out here and have some peace of mind.